Making this video with heavy hearts, like my heart is very heavy. One thing I would never do is reap where I did not sow. If I want to reap, I want to sow. That is one beautiful thing about me. And that's how I've been living my life. I'm making this video because I need to send this out here. And as I'm filming this video, I'm going to be uploading it immediately. And you have to watch from beginning to the end. So that for those of you that have gotten such experience and you think that this is Vibe with Sonia, please, Vibe with Sonia is not like this. Vibe with Sonia is not like this. Now, a lot of people are using my Telegram group for them to be able to defraud people. You understand? I took a pause on my WhatsApp channel because I find out that a lot of people wanted me to just go directly and start dropping information in the WhatsApp group so that they will use an opportunity to drag people and then make money from people. Now, this is what is happening in my Telegram group. They will go ahead and chat people that because they know that people are desperate to get subscribers, they are desperate to get watch hours, they are desperate to get coachings, they will go ahead and chat them up. And once they chat them up, they are going to tell them that, oh, this is Vibe with Sonia, putting my picture there as Vibe with Sonia. Now, I'm going to be showing you a screenshot example like this here. I'm going to be covering the phone number that is there because I want to use that phone number and track that person down. You know, they say 7 days for the thief, 1 day is for the owner. You understand? Now, once they chat people up, they will now start telling them that, oh, this is Vibe with Sonia, putting my picture and the coaching sections. They will now send them my flyers for coaching sections. And then those people will now pay. Now, once they pay, they will now go ahead and block them. They will block them totally. Why are they blocking them? Because they know that they cannot deliver the product and they are not Vibe with Sonia. Now, get my point. I've received countless, when I mean countless, most of the times I don't even open my Telegram because I'll be like, who is this person? I don't even know. The person will be like, oh, it will never be well with you. I paid you for money and you did not give me my coaching class. I paid you for watch hour. I paid you for subscribers. I did not get my watch hour. I did not get subscribers. I was wondering, where is this coming from? I was gradually doing my research and every time I keep complaining to my husband. Unluckily for this devil, the devil incarnate. Sorry if my English is not right. Unlucky for him or unlucky for her because I don't know the face behind it. The person chatted someone that joined my Telegram group because that person knew my husband. And that person knew my husband. So she joined my Telegram group and she wanted to pay for a coaching section. And when she wanted to pay for a coaching section, she asked the person, are you Vibe with Sonia? The person said yes. He or she is Vibe with Sonia. And told the person, oh, send money to this account. Pressured this person until this person used her sense. I said, okay, let me pay for 1 day coaching first. If I pay for 1 day coaching, then I'll see if I can pay more. And this person went ahead and paid. And the moment this person paid, the person was still pressuring the person to pay the big amount, which is a $200. And the person refused to pay. And guess what, guys? The person blocked her. The person blocked her. The person blocked her. Unluckily for the person, before he blocked her, this particular person has gone to the Telegram group, screenshot everything. And then she sent to my husband and she have to tell my husband, please, is this your wife? Because I sent the coaching section money. Why did she block me? And my husband has to forward it to me this afternoon. And when he forwarded it, he was like, babe, someone paid you for coaching class. This is the message I'm getting. I said, let the person screenshot and let me see. Because if you pay me, there was a guy that paid me from Instagram, right? And when he paid me, I don't even know what happened. I think that time was the time I traveled for my health in Kaduna. And when the person paid me, what did I do? I did not chat him up. And later when I saw his message, I was like, no, this is not me, this is not me. And I called the person and even as I'm talking to you guys now, me and that person, we are best friends. But it is so painful that people will walk out for their money. That's the annoying part. A lot of people that are here are just looking for subscribers. They are looking for watch hour. Some persons don't even have money to eat, but they just want to pay so that they can get their channel monetized. Or they just want to pay to get information, pay about the coaching session and say, oh, Sonia, just check my channel and see if everything is okay. I've had someone personally chat me and the person was like, please, do you accept instrumental payments? I don't have the money all in cash, but I just need this so that life can be better for them. But someone will just sit in one angle and be reaping for where he or she never saw. It cannot be Vibe with Sonia. It cannot. It is painful. My heart is heavy. I'm not happy. And I'm putting out this information out here so that every single person that know Vibe with Sonia, or you've paid your money in one way or the other to somebody and you did not get the service, just know that it is not Vibe with Sonia. If it is Vibe with Sonia, I will try my possible best to reach out to you. Even if I'm busy, I tell you I am busy. Even if I'm in school, I tell you I'm in school. There are some people that have paid for classes that I told them, oh, please, I want to write the exam. Okay, just after my exam. And they will agree with me. So I will never take your money without giving you the services that you want. This is a call to action to everybody. Do not pay money to any single person on Telegram or on any freaking where. The only place I keep my communication straight is my mail, faithonoja3195@gmail.com. And I'll be putting the mail on the screen from the beginning of this video to the end of this video. That is the only place. So people should not go ahead and start deceiving you or creating channels or creating Telegram group or creating WhatsApp group saying it is Vibe with Sonia. It is not Vibe with Sonia. If you have mistakenly paid your money out there and you did not get any services, maybe you've been carrying me your heart has been boiling, because a lot of people will even mistakenly manage to look for ways and get my WhatsApp number. I will receive countless insults like it will never be well with you. You collected my money and I never saw the result. And if I chat with them or we talk, I'll find out that I have never been in a position of your money. $200 is a very big money. $500 is a very big money. $10 is a very big money. $50 is a very big money. So please, guys, be careful. Be careful out there. But this is one promise that I'm promising this person. It might take me years. It might take me decades or decades. It might take me any amount of longevity you want. This thing will take me. I'll find this person. I don't know all of them because it's not one person. I will definitely find this person. I will find this person. You know, you need to use someone as a scapegoat so that other will understand. Now, once you use someone as an example, you set someone as an example, other people will now understand and follow suit. If you want to do your Yahoo business, please don't do it with me. Don't do it with my name. Don't do it with my brand. I've stayed here 4 good years, 4 good freaking years building this brand. You just can't come from nowhere and just destroy it for me. You cannot come from nowhere and be reaping for where you don't sow. You can't allow people to pay you for coaching classes and at the end of the day, they're not even getting their results. Do not use Vibe with Sonia. Use any other person you want to use. Do not use. I don't like it. If you're watching this video and you're among those of them that will always be in my comment section telling people, oh, come, there's a place you can get watch hour. Please, don't use Vibe with Sonia. Please, I beg you. And guys, be careful out there. Be careful out there. One of the things I will never do is to ask you to pay me money before joining my Telegram group. When I even heard that one, my head big. My head swell up. I want mad. I can't tell you, pay me for you to join my Telegram group. I created it for free. I have a reason why I created it for free. If I wanted it to be monetized and people will start paying me, I know what to do. It is free. And I wanted to make it free. And it should remain free. So I cannot be creating something free and someone is there reaping from where he or she did not sow. Please, you guys, be careful out there. And let me know in the comment section if you've had any encounter. Maybe you've paid someone money, either means or any means, in the name of Vibe with Sonia. Please let me know. And please share this video so that other persons can see this video and learn this as a lesson. Because I will upload this video on my YouTube, my WhatsApp, my Telegram, every single place. And let's all be safe out there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.